From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, our universe is in constant motion. It's a symphony of movement, a cosmic dance of energy and matter. Understanding the different types of motion allows us to appreciate the elegance and complexity of the world around us. It's like learning the language of the cosmos, a language written in the movement of stars and the spin of a dancer. Let's start with the simplest type of motion, rectilinear motion. Imagine driving down a straight highway. That's rectilinear motion, movement in a straight line. A train speeding along its tracks, an elevator ascending, a book falling from a table, all showcase rectilinear motion. Now, let's add a bit of excitement to the mix. Imagine yourself strapped into a roller coaster, climbing slowly to the peak before plunging into a series of exhilarating twists and turns. That, my friends, is curvilinear motion, motion along a curved path. Unlike rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion is full of surprises. The object's direction is constantly changing, creating a sense of dynamism and unpredictability. Think of a baseball soaring through the air, a planet orbiting its star, or a figure skater gliding across the ice. Each of these examples showcases the beauty and complexity of curvilinear motion. Section 4. Round and round we go. Rotational motion. Our exploration of motion wouldn't be complete without discussing rotational motion, the motion of an object spinning around an axis. Think of a spinning top, its colorful surface blurring as it whirls on the floor. That's rotational motion at its finest. From the Earth rotating on its axis to the wheels of a bicycle turning, rotational motion is everywhere. It's the driving force behind many of our everyday activities, from blending a smoothie to flying across the globe. Understanding rotational motion is crucial in fields like engineering, astronomy, and even sports. Section 5. The rhythm of the universe. Periodic motion. The universe is full of rhythms and cycles, the changing seasons, the ebb and flow of tides, the beating of our hearts. All these phenomena exhibit periodic motion, motion that repeats itself in regular intervals. One of the most iconic examples is the swinging pendulum, returning to its starting point after a fixed period, and the orbit of the moon around the Earth. Section 6. The unpredictable dance, non-periodic motion. Not all motion follows a predictable pattern. Sometimes things move in a more random, chaotic way. Think of a leaf fluttering in the wind, its path erratic and unpredictable. This is non-periodic motion, motion that doesn't repeat in a regular pattern, and the crashing waves of the ocean. Understanding non-periodic motion helps us to appreciate the complexity and beauty of systems that defy easy categorization. Motion, the essence of our dynamic universe. From the graceful arc of a ball in flight to the intricate dance of celestial bodies, motion is the essence of our dynamic universe. Whether it's the straight path of rectilinear motion, the curves of curvilinear motion, or the swings of periodic motion, each type of motion enriches the cosmos. By understanding motion, we appreciate the world around us, from walking to galaxies. So, next time you see motion, consider its type.